What happens if you pour fire ants into charcoal heated to several hundred degrees? What would that look like? There are more than 10,000 in here, all willingly taking part in this fire ant test. No more talking. Let us heat up this charcoal right away. They say this charcoal can reach around 600 degrees. Not sure if that is really true, but it does burn for a long time. Today, we are going to let these fire ants experience the heat from this glowing charcoal and see whether it can get rid of them. Alright, it is all fully lit now, but whether it is really 600 degrees is hard to say. I do not have a thermometer for that. That is fine. We can test it with this tissue and see if it catches fire. It burns very quickly, which shows the temperature is probably pretty high. Now, we will pour the fire ants straight in and see how long they can hold on. You can tell from the ants at the bottom. They stop moving right away. Then the ones on top spread out immediately, like ants on a hot pan. No, actually like ants on hot charcoal. But you can still see the fire ants are really worked up. Look at them waving all around in there. They look thrilled, do not they? Now, this charcoal can keep burning for a long time. Alright, it has been burning for almost a minute, and there are still some ants on top that are still moving. They are directly using their own kind as stepping stones. That is also because there are so many of them, and the layer is thick enough. Otherwise the ones on top would have already been overwhelmed by the heat. Look, now the ones at the bottom have already started to smoke a little. And just as I say that, it looks like the ants on top cannot hold on anymore. Wow, look, now they have all stopped moving. Let us check whether any in the middle are just playing dead. Anyone who watches my videos a lot already knows these fire ants often pretend to be motionless, so we cannot rule out that some in the middle are still hanging on. We still need to check again and again, because once they end up at my place, these fire ants inside are not making it back out of my house at all. So after checking over and over many times, it looks like there really are no fire ants in there that could make it through. After all, the temperature from this burning charcoal is extremely high.